What kind of father waits years for his lost son yet never loses hope in Allah? What kind of patience survives betrayal, distance, and endless tears? This is the powerful journey of Hazrat Yaqub alayhi salam, the prophet of patience and unwavering faith. Hazrat Yaqub alayhi salam was the noble son of Hazrat Ishaq alayhi salam and the grandson of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Allah honored him with prophethood and blessed with him many sons. But among them was one son whose story would change his life forever. That son was Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam, a child known for his beauty and pure heart. One night Yusuf shared a dream that would shape the future of an entire family. He saw 11 stars, the sun and the moon bowing before him. The brothers of Yusuf felt jealousy growing in their hearts. One day they took Yusuf far into the desert and threw him into a deep well. They returned home with false tears and a shirt stained with fake blood. Yaqub felt the pain but chose patience and placed his trust in Allah. Years passed and his sorrow became so deep that his eyesight faded. Yet he never lost hope in the mercy of Allah. Meanwhile, Yusuf was rising towards destiny in the land of Egypt. A famine struck the land, forcing Yaqub's son to travel to Egypt for food. They there unknowingly stood before their brothers Yusuf. Yusuf finally revealed the truth and forgave his brothers with mercy. He sent his shirt back to his father Yaqub as a sign. When the shirt touched Yaqub's face, his eyesight returned by the will of Allah. The life of Yaqub alayhi salam teaches the true meaning of patience and trust in Allah. Even the deepest pain cannot defeat a heart filled with faith, for Allah's plan always leads from hardship to mercy.